The last time I made a video on this, it was upside down. And if this one is also upside down, I'm going to get mad. That's my new thing. So, Pogo Cat. I already have that. So if this is upside down, I'm angry. See how it's upside down? This is good. So. Claim one of those things. And yes, I have a lot of XP and a lot of cat food now. So I also have a bunch of cat tickets and stuff. So I'm just going to open all these cat tickets. And hope I get something good from them. Number 1, Viking cat. Number 2, Salon cat, a cat I really like and also need. Number 3, actually. Witch cat, a cat I already have. I think we're on number 4. Wait. Okay, number 5. Okay, sorry, this is number 4. Gardener cat. Number 5 is Stilts cat. Number 6, Jurassic cat. I already have you. And the final and 7th one. I already have it. Now it's time to upgrade my guys. Get all the guys I don't need from the storage and exchange them for XP. Viking cat, Shringan's red. I already have a lot of them. Yeah, sure. Gardener cat. Ooh, zombie. Definitely. Take him. Wheel cat, I already have you. Stilts cat, I already have you. You. I already have him, but I have a lot of XP right now, and I also need levels on this guy. It saves me like 70k XP, yeah. Well, 40k. And Salon cat, definitely something I'm using. And equip that. That's all of them. Plus, I could get an extra 50k XP if I wanted to, but I'm saving up my cat fruit so I can get new things. Now it's time to upgrade my cat with my 572k 802 XP menu. I think I got like 1 or 2 new cats, so I'll get some cat food for that. I'm just gonna check something in here, 1 second. Okay, I'm done checking it now for basically the video finale. I'm gonna hope I get extra XP from this. Or cat fruit. 50k XP, yes. Now we have lots of XP. Now we upgrade our guys. Rare cats. Salon cat. Got all these cats. The one I want to upgrade the most. Heavyweight cat. Wait, what? Whoa. That guy looks cool. But who I want to upgrade the most right now is Swordsman cat. Cost a lot, but Swordmaster cat. Right now, kind of feel like upgrading some low-cost units that don't cost much to upgrade. Yeah, you. I'm just gonna get my user rank up. Hopefully I can get it to 1K for the special part of this video. That would be very good. And let's see. Come on, user rank. Alright, so I need 21 more. 21 more. Oh god, I don't think I could get 21 more. I don't want to go back there. Alright, what's my user rank? Okay, so 12 more. I can get enough XP for that. I can get that. So I'll see you when I get the XP, because I want to have a special part in this video other than the cat tickets and the cat food showing, that I will soon be able to do another draw. By the way, I got that Uber and that Uber in a video that was upside down. Because I'm not good at recording sadness. I'm honestly sad that I couldn't get that on camera. And this one right here, it was actually the first one I drew. Big boy behind, oh man. I couldn't show big boy behind it. Management Bible activated. Woohoo. Right, it's time to upgrade some boys. Boy, you don't cost that much. You don't cost that much, neither do you. Come on, I gotta be able to upgrade one of them. Really, no? Okay, good. Actually, you cost less. Alright, back to XP. I'm just gonna get some cat food and some XP. Not a lot of XP though. I did that. Okay, we need 8 levels. Ready? My bear cat shouldn't cost too much. How many more do we need? 4 more, I swear. I'm gonna reach this goal this video. I'm going to reach it. Alright, come on. I'm getting close. Please. My god, I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Just need a guy that's level 1, please. Yes! Guys. I don't care about your deal. I kinda do care. 1 second. Alright, so I've actually spent $25 on this video. Well, 15, sorry. I spent $15 on this video, and this is the video finale. After I do this. Just look at my meow medal. User rank 1000. Guys, my friend is user rank 1000. And he's been grinding a lot more than me. Boom. Wada bong. User rank 1000. We did it. And I spent $15 on this video, so please give a like or something.